Lesson 7, Unit 5. Managing the Information Cycle, Part 2. Project information must be organized in order to allow the analysis, synthesis, understanding, and communication of information. You will need to identify the methods to organize information into logical, easily understood categories to increase its access and use. The use of a taxonomy facilitates how information is grouped, classified, and labeled within a shared information environment. You will also need to define how the information will be stored for easy access, while maintaining standard measures for data and information security. Loss of information can be very expensive for a project. The system you choose should be able to capture all type information, as well as qualitative and quantitative data, be able to support multiple users, able to link with other systems in the organization, allow backups, and provide friendly but powerful analysis tools. The next step is to analyze information. This includes the process to make sense of the data and create new information. To analyze is to interpret the different dimensions presented by data and information and build a sense of its meaning. The analysis will provide with insights on how the project is performing and achieving its goals. The results of the analysis will be used in the next steps of the cycle, reporting and sharing the information. Making the results of the analysis available to stakeholders is the next step. Reporting requires an understanding of the stakeholders' requirements to receive the information. This includes the format, the medium, content, and frequency. You need to remember that it is important to collect the right information, and it's also important to share the information to the right people at the right time. The most visible elements of an information management system are the reports. The project team, partner organizations, donors, and the beneficiaries form opinions and make decisions based on the information generated by the project. As a project manager, you should strive for timely, comprehensive, and understandable formats and mechanisms to report on the information with all key stakeholders. It is essential to distribute the right information in the right format at the right time to the right stakeholders. For an effective process to report information to stakeholders, you can use a simple table to organize project information. It will include the purpose, the methods to deliver, the format, the frequency, the recipient of the report, and the person or persons responsible for developing and sending the report. The highest value of information comes when it supports decisions to improve the project by modifying strategies, approaches, and methods to get the project closer to its objectives. Without this information, it is nearly impossible to know if the project is getting closer to its objectives. By using the information, the project can know how far it is from the goals, what changes it needs to make to correct any deviations from the original plan, or what opportunities are ahead to help the project achieve its goals. There are four main categories of information use. These are decisions, compliance, knowledge, and support. Decisions are made on information that tracks progress to make changes in the strategies and approaches the project has chosen initially. This type of information includes project reports, evaluations, baseline information. Compliance is information used to meet legal or contractual requirements that the project has responsibilities for. This includes information to the donor and local governments. Knowledge is information used to learn from the experiences of the project. And support. This information is used to influence or obtain support from stakeholders. Project information serves as a mechanism to orient, educate, and explain the benefits of the project and help reduce any resistance or low interest in the project. Final step in the cycle is to evaluate the information management process. The effectiveness of the information management cycle depends on the opportunities to identify issues and opportunities to improve it. Evaluating the system can occur at any time during the project lifecycle. The evaluation should look at areas where the process has bottlenecks or areas where the information takes too much time to process, whether in its collection or in its distribution. The goal of evaluating the process is to improve the process.